Nei hao, I'm Frank, and welcome to Story Time. This is the story of a family trip to Hong Kong. It was an exciting morning in the buzzing city of Hong Kong. The family had travelled on a plane all the way from Aotearoa for a holiday. Sisters Jean and Joy were eager to see all the sights, so Mum took them to her favourite neighbourhood. There was a colourful street market where locals sold everything from stripy pyjamas to toys that could fly. Looking for something special to bring back home, Jean found a funny alarm clock with a singing mouse. "This will help wake me up for school," laughed Jean, delighted with her new clock. The next lane was full of flowers in every shade: pink, purple, yellow and blue. All the colours of the rainbow filled the lane. Mum loved the colour red, so the girls looked all over for the freshest, brightest red flowers, until they found her a bunch of ruby roses. By then, the girls were hungry. Mum took them to a busy street with eye-catching electric signs. There were lots of people hurrying past, so Jean and Joy held on tightly to Mum's hand as she took them to her favourite cafe. At the cafe, they ate yummy wonton soup noodles, and Joy got her favourite drink, a refreshing red bean milk. "Hong Kong is so much fun," said Joy, slurping her drink. "What a great holiday." The girls had a wonderful time in Hong Kong, getting to see new things, eat delicious food, and share some special time with their mum. The end.